What's up YouTube, this is JB. In today's video we're going to do a review on the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Alright, so let's start off in the front of the truck. I mean, this does look like your regular Grand Cherokee, but there are some differences. One being this hood. This hood has two hood vents right here. And another difference is they got rid of the fog lamps and put an oil cooler and a cold air intake. It does have HID headlamps, and it still has an adaptive cruise control there on other Grand Cherokees. Now to the side of the truck. The major difference here that you can tell that this is a Trackhawk are these yellow Brembo brakes. You have 6 pistons in the front, 4 in the rear. And another giveaway is this supercharged badge right here. Now in the rear, to tell that this is a Trackhawk, you see you have your Trackhawk badge here, the quad tips, and then also this wing right here. Now for the interior. This whole truck is wrapped in leather and suede on the roof. You have your premium Laguna leather seats. You have carbon fiber that goes along the doors in this dash area. And then you also have a panoramic sunroof. You have your toggle switches here on the steering wheel, along with all your other buttons for volume and so on. This is push start. You have a 12-inch LCD screen, and you also have this toggle switch here to basically go between driving modes, including launch control. This truck also has the Harman Kardon sound system, and this particular one has an entertainment package that gives you 2 DVD screens back here in the rear. So let's check out the rear. Now for the rear, you have the 2 DVD screens here. You still have vents back here, 2 USB ports, a power plug, and your controls for the heated seats. And another cool thing I like about this is you can actually recline this rear seat. So now let's check out the cargo space. Now you still have enough room if you're going like on vacation, putting groceries, whatever you need, and you still have this cover here. And another cool thing is you can lower this with just a touch of a button. Now for the best part of this truck. It has a 6.2 liter Hemi engine, supercharged. Yes, the same motor out of the Hellcat. Puts down 707 horses, 645 pound-feet of torque. It's a little less torque than the Hellcat, but it's only due to the restricted exhaust system. But let's hear how it sounds. Alright, so that's the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. They have 7 of these here at Ed Voyles Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. This one can be yours for $110 plus taxes and fees. And just come here, ask for my boy Clint, and he'll hook you up. But make sure that you hit the subscribe button, comment, tell me what you did like, what you didn't like, and tell me some other cars you want to see. So until next time, alright, peace.